Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You open the document and immediately locate the unwanted page. Make sure you saved a backup copy first. Turn on non-printing characters so you can see empty paragraphs and page or section breaks. Once done, open the navigation pane to jump directly to the page thumbnail or heading and place your cursor where content or the empty paragraph appears. Then, use Shift plus arrow or click drag to select the visible marks, and press Delete or Backspace to remove them. This removes ordinary blank pages. You now tackle complex causes like section breaks or tables that anchor an extra page. Switch to draft view so section breaks become selectable. Click just before the break and press Delete to remove it. If a table at the end pushes an empty page, reduce table cell spacing or move the table up one line, then delete trailing paragraph marks. Make sure to inspect header and footer space because oversized margins can create a new page. Adjust them if necessary before checking the layout again. You finish by saving and verifying the document in print layout. Make sure the extra page is gone. If something went wrong, use Ctrl+Z to revert your last action or reopen the backup copy you made earlier. Once done, try copying the content, minus the blank page, into a new document if stubborn formatting remains. A key troubleshooting tip: show non-printing characters and remove any lingering section breaks. If that still fails, paste as plain text into a fresh file to eliminate hidden formatting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.